Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life and my sidekick here, Cookie. Every time I put her down, she wants back up. So I'm just going to leave her there. Lay down and go night-night, okay? Because I have stuff to share with our friends. So you lay down and go night-night. Are you ready for this? First of all, look at this adorable little treat cup. Isn't it exciting? Now, I have a ton of samples. My design team literally went crazy with this one. It fits in the palm of my hand. It folds to a box, and we have this die set now available. Now, the funny thing is I can't even demo it for you because I don't have any here. We sent them all to the warehouse because we know this is going to be a fast seller. Now, here's another one. It comes with cute little dies on it, and you can look at the website to see all the fun little dies that it comes with. But look at all of the options. This one has little star treats in there. You're a pop star, and you can have popcorn in there. Isn't that adorable? Here's another baby one. Oh, here's a cute one with a little pudgy on it, with a little thing. And look, you could do a little coffee on it. So that kind of will give you an idea of the size of it. So here's a cute little one with leaves around it. Here's another one just with little candies in it, plain, which is nice. Sometimes you don't even need to add anything. Has the little panels with it as well, so you can mix and match and make cute little little containers. Perfect for Halloween. Isn't that adorable? Look at how cute that is. Happy Halloween, boo, and you can decorate it to your heart's content. Or what about a baby reveal party? These are the new things now. The baby reveal, gender reveal is what they call them. And look, you could have little blue candies. Ken is going to be thrilled because when I'm done with this video, he gets to eat all these treats. A wedding one. Look at how gorgeous that one. It also comes with a little cross as well. So fun. Oh, here's one full of chocolates. He'll jump into that one first. The design team has really spoiled him this month. It also comes with the layering dies as well, which is really nice. You can layer that as well, but so much fun. Now I'm going to move those all over because we have 2 re-releases. So if you missed them when they were out first, now's your chance to get them. For example, my party hat folded, one of the first items I ever took on HSN, sold out really fast. And there's a lot of fun involved in this one. I'm going to demonstrate this one for you today. We're also re-releasing the die set, the rounded corner step-up card that I designed for that other company. It is now mine because they have retired it, so now I get to bring it back under my line, which is nice because I get access to my own artwork again. Now look at all these fun examples. You get to mix and match. It's a stair-step design, but it's a stair-step card that literally you can make in minutes. It is so fantastic. It comes with the tree, it comes with grass, it comes with a little sun. So fun. It even comes with the word hello, but you can make it any theme you want. Look at all these different themes I have. So much fun. So go check out that one. It does fit in an A2 sized envelope, standard envelope size. This one's even decorated. How cute is that? But it fits in a standard envelope as well. So stair step cards, go get it now. Rounded corners with grass, even grass. Now, here's an example of that folded party hat. So fun. You can also make this a piece of pizza if you turn it this way and put pepperoni on it instead. Change the colors. Now, oh, and look, a matching envelope with our envelope liner die, which is oh so popular. Let me show you how easy this party hat is to make. I get a lot of questions about how to make a party hat. How to make a folded card. The hardest part, we're gonna do this color. The hardest part is folding your paper in half. Right? Easy peasy. I'm gonna take a scraper and I'm gonna just scrape that score line down because I want it to be nice and crisp. So now I have my fold right here, right? Then I'm going to get my die set and I'm gonna open this one up, and just a heads up, I added this extra piece on here. So you're getting more bang for your buck on this one because it has an extra die in there, which is very exciting. I gotta check on the dog once in a while, make sure she's okay over there. So we're gonna add this, and let's grab the largest die in the kit. You never have to worry, you always just know it's the largest die in the kit. Now, it'll say place fold here or place fold here, depending on where you want it to cut. Where you want it to fold. So we want it to fold at the very, very top, and we're gonna run this die through. Now this is 2 layers of cardstock, so I'm gonna run it back through just to make sure that I get a nice clean cut. So I'm gonna run it through once, then I'm gonna run it back through. And remember, I have that fold line up there. So now, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. I have my card. This will fit in a standard A2 size envelope, as will all of my folded cards. Now we get to decorate. So let's add some red, and I had some paper that had some fun, let's see what other colors I have, that had the adhesive on the back already. And I have some pieces over here. I did have more. What happened to all of them? I must have put them somewhere else. Oh, here's white. So let's grab some white and let's add the cute little bow, it looks like a sun, but it's actually like a little fluffy ball. And we'll add that one also. And let's make, what colors are, I already forgot what color my hat is. We need to do this one in red. So we're gonna add this one in red. So we're gonna add those little dots. We don't have to if we don't want to. We could do that in a pattern paper if we want. And we need to add, let's add this in white. That'll be cute. And then we'll add this in red also. I think we're good. Look at that. So let's run this through. I got a lot on there, so I'm going to use my larger cutting pad. And that moved a little, so we're just going to lay that there. Run that all through. Now the white paper did have my adhesive backing on the back already, so we know that it's going to have adhesive on it already. I'm going to run all that through. Now we have some fluff. Funny word, but we have our cute little, now remember this could be a piece of pizza with pepperoni, but we're gonna make it a party hat, and we're gonna add some adhesive to this. So we're just gonna add adhesive in between those circles. We could have added an adhesive sheet on the back of this. It would have made it a little bit easier. And we're gonna add that right there. Now don't be alarmed when you see this little point here that's not perfect, because we're gonna add a cute little pom-pom to the top of that. So you're not even gonna see that. Now we're gonna add this one up here. And we need a pokey tool. I never have a pokey tool handy, do I? Sometimes I just drop it and it pops out. Okay, so let's add this one. Now this one had adhesive on the back already, but I don't want all of the adhesive peeled off, or the backing peeled off, because I'm not gonna have backing on all of it. So we're gonna add that right there, and then we're gonna get that cute little red one. Where'd the little red one go? I lose things. I bet you never lose things at your house, right, when you're crafting? So I'm gonna add that cute little pom-pom at the top. How cute would this be with real pom-poms? That would be even more exciting. So now we're gonna peel off the backing of this paper, and that makes it makes it stick, right, because we're making it a sticker. And we're just peeling that backing, oh, come on. Peeling the backing off. Whoops. I think this is a couple layers, so now it's not liking me. I'll have to do it from the other side. Let's do it from the other side. Peeling the backing off. There we go. This one doesn't like me today. Oh well, we're gonna just fake it because we don't want to sit here all day and watch Stephanie do that. Now we're gonna add adhesive to, we're gonna add this to our little guy, and then we're going to add adhesive to the back of this. Add this. Now I think I like that. Just like that. Now for these little circles, we're gonna add some little diamonds. Now, of course, we're not using real diamonds, right? We're using these mirror ones that I found, and we're gonna add little circles in there to decorate it up a little bit, to add some extra bling. Dun, 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 dun. Add some bling, add some more bling, and I'm going fast because you don't need to watch me add bling all day long, right? And look at how fun this little card is. Imagine a party hat card just like this. You can also use the box it to make a box out of this, but oh, so fun. So if you missed out on it when it was on HSN, go get it now because it is so adorable. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.